welcome. PaleriderTV. Some trucking news. Big old story coming out of the Texas border town of El Paso. Nice cover to see what's going on. 6.5 tons of meth seized in Texas, valued at $117 million. This is a big old bust. U.S. Customs and Border Patrol recently seized a record amount of methamphetamine at the Camino Real International Bridge in Eagle Pass, Texas. A statement from the CBP. Officers seized 6.5 tons of methamphetamine valued at more than $117 million. The largest ever at a port of entry in a single enforcement action. Wow, that's big. The seizure occurred on Sunday, February 18th, when a CBP officer referred a tractor trailer manifesting a shipment of drying agent for piglets for secondary inspection. Following a canine and non-intrusive inspection system examination, CBP officers discovered a total of nearly 13,101 pounds of alleged methamphetamine within the conveyance. Wow, that's a lot. The gargantuan methamphetamine seizure, the largest ever taken down by CBP officers at a port of entry, uniquely illustrates a serious narcotics threat our officers face on a daily basis and their effectiveness at utilizing our technological enforcement tools, expertise, and experience to zero in on these threats, said Director Field Operations Donald Cusser, Laredo Field Office. The seizure exemplifies our officers' steadfast commitment to advancing CBP's priority border security mission while facilitating lawful trade and travel. CBP seized the narcotics, Homeland Security Investigations Special Agents are investigating the seizure. They didn't say anything about the driver of the truck who got arrested, sent back across the border, or what happened. But that's a big one. Is the meth market going to be dry here in the States? 13,000 pounds worth? I don't know. Maybe in some areas. But who knows how much more gets through? More probably gets through than gets seized at the border. But that's crazy. Big one. $117 million worth. That's a big one. You always hear about busts all the time on the borders. Nothing like that. You know, smaller shipments, decoy shipments, whatever. But this one, man, big one, 13,000 pounds. So let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about this. I used to go down to the border all the time, border town Laredo. Been to Eagle Pass a few times, but never had any issues. Always hearing about trucks getting busted coming across the border. All right, let me know down in the comment section what you like about this. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, hit the like button. Let me know. Keep the stories coming. Appreciate the driver that sent me this story. So everybody have a good day and stay safe.